One of the first things that we're going to want to do when we install Pinnacle Cart, and mind you, we're using Pinnacle Cart 3.7.7, and so if you're using an older version, then definitely upgrade your cart immediately to the latest version because it's got all the social networking plugins and whatnot, which you definitely want to be using. So upgrade your cart. It's a simple process of on the server side, and you can call technical support and they'll help you upgrade it and whatnot. But make sure you're using the latest version. One of the first things we want to do for our site settings, we come up to global cart settings, and then over here to order/cart settings, is we want to set this stuff up real quick. So we want the visitor to see the price. Yes, visitor may add an item. A setting of yes allows anyone using your cart to add products to their shopping cart. So obviously we want to make sure they do that. No only allows registered customers to add products to your shopping cart. So we want everyone to be able to add products to the cart and not have to register. Allow create account. If yes, your customers will be able to create an account in the shopping cart, allowing them to have shopping address information and view previous orders. So if you've got a big site with multiple different kinds of products and lots of return customers, you might want to start requiring them to register so they can have a history of payment receipts and all that fun stuff. It's kind of like a profile with your website, basically, similar to an Amazon.com experience. So, and then the checkout process mode. What process would you like your customers to use for checkout? The recommendation is to use one-page checkout, and as we feel, it will convert more visitors to buyers in your store. So here's where you can select that and say, I just want the one-page checkout. It's a nice, slick process. You definitely want to be using that. There's a reason why Amazon spent hundreds of millions of dollars over the past 2 decades figuring out one-page checkout to try to get the conversion rates higher. So make sure you're doing the same thing and use a one-page checkout. And then you've got your start ordering number. You can fill that in here. After product added, go to the cart page. What page do you want your users to be on after they have added a product to the shopping cart? You definitely want them going to the cart page and not sitting on the same current page. Once they land on the cart page, there is a continue shopping button. That's kind of the normal and typical user experience. So then you've got a minimum subtotal amount for any order placed by standard users. And then you've got some other settings here for subtotal for wholesalers at first level, wholesalers at second level. If you don't have any wholesalers, then just go ahead and ignore this. And then do you want to display the terms and conditions checkbox? Would you like your customers to agree with your site terms and conditions in order to continue to check out? So most often that's depending upon what you're selling, that's obviously going to be up to you and what works for your specific product and your website. Do you want to enable a wish list? Would you like your customers to use the wish list feature? So you can have that similar type thing that again that the Amazon customers have with your own products, and have a wish list that people can build inside their profile. So that's pretty powerful tool as well to use if it's applicable to your product set. And then you've got an inventory stock update. When do you want to update the stock count? So whether when the order is completed, when the payment's received, or when the order is placed. So that's again going to depend on your own your business objectives and how you run your e-commerce business and what type of products you sell. So those are the basic site settings for the order and the cart settings in Pinnacle Cart. It's pretty straightforward. Take the time and read these carefully, and hopefully this video helped clear some of that stuff up.